Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the theme template on your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to refresh your site's look without rebuilding everything from scratch, and it's simpler than you might think. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu where you'll find an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it, and a drop-down selection will appear. From this menu, select Website. This will take you to an overview of all your sites. Now you'll see all the websites associated with your Wix account displayed on your screen. Take a moment to locate the specific website where you want to change the theme template. Once you've found it, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice an Edit Site button sitting there. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. After clicking, you'll be directed straight to the Wix Harmony Editor. This is your main workspace where all the design magic happens. Give it a moment to fully load so everything displays properly. Once you're in the editor, shift your focus to the top side menu. Here you'll see an option named Brand. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear, revealing several customization options. This brand section is essentially your control center for managing the overall look and feel of your entire website. Within this menu, you'll find an option to change kit. Clicking this allows you to modify the entire website's color scheme and font style in one go. This is perfect if you want a complete visual overhaul without adjusting individual elements separately. However, if you prefer more targeted adjustments, you have the flexibility to customize specific elements individually. You can click on and adjust colors to change your site's color palette, text to modify fonts and typography, buttons to alter button styles, or boxes and lines to refine borders and dividers. This gives you precise control over individual design components. If you find that you still need more customization options for your website theme, click on Change Brand Kit. This opens up a comprehensive selection of palette combinations specifically designed to suit different brand aesthetics. Browse through these options and select the one that best aligns with your vision. And that's it. You've successfully changed the theme template on your Wix website, giving it a fresh new appearance that better represents your brand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.